만나서 반갑습니다. And welcome back to another video. Today's video is a quick unboxing of the things from Korea, but it was actually from my K-chingu in Manila. Yes, Christine Joy Baragas. 친구야. Actually, we were able to come up with a mutual decision to exchange some of our things that we received from the K-random boxes from Korea, from 𝙁𝙊𝙉𝙀 Festa. Yes, and this is actually the package that arrived today, and I was very happy because I thought it'll take a couple of days, but I think she actually sent these box last Wednesday, so it only took 2 days to receive. Yes, ta-da! And let's see what's inside. Let's go. 하나, 둘, 셋. Okay. Oh. Yes, I love collecting Kingdom Friends goodies, and it would be very helpful for me, especially because I have a lot of paperworks. Yes. Okay, and done. Mogo. And my favorite! I'm so happy na she was able to let go of this. Very cute umbrella from Kingdom Friends. Course. Tada! Yes. Yes. 𝙁𝙤𝙆𝙈 maker. 𝙁𝙤𝙆𝙆 candy making was very popular when the Netflix sensation Squid Game became also popular. But I've never tried making 𝙁𝙤𝙆 candy because wala akong ganito. So, special request ko talaga tong 𝙁𝙤𝙆 maker set. So, thank you so much, and yeah, let's see what's inside this. Ito. Ito yung lalagyan mo ng ingredients. Ito yung parang pandiin mo para maging circle yung 𝙿𝙤𝙁𝙁. And then, meron silang parang mga shapes. May payong. Wow. And then, circle. Meron ding square. Yeah. Pwede din naman siyang diamond. Star. And triangle. Yes. So, bali, parang 5 na, yeah, 5 shapes. And then, ito yung lalagyan ng pag tapos mo nang i-ano yung 𝙿𝙤𝙁. Tapos, gaganunan mo. And then, ito is, I think para sa mga shape ng 𝙿𝙤𝙁 na candy. So, yes, that's it, guys. I'm so excited to make my own 𝙿𝙤𝙁 candy soon. So, please stay tuned for more videos. 감사합니다, 여러분. Thank you!